Hello guys, welcome to Trade Crunch, and in this video we are going to talk about RankTracker.com, and that's an all-in-one platform for doing SEO, to optimize your keywords and to discover the new keywords and outrank the competitors by checking their ranking keywords and their metadata and everything that helps you to overcome the difficulties and weaknesses that you're having on a website. So rank tracker will allow you to analyze the data that will actually help you to make some decisions out of it, and you can easily outrank your competitors and see how they are ranking and what are their key strengths so as to you know benefit out of it for your own website growth. So let's get into this. So this is the website of RankTracker.com, and you can see that it allows you to do keyword research, competition analysis, track search engine rankings in all the single powerful platform. RankTracker harnesses world-class data sources to help you get ahead in SEO, whether you are a small startup or a larger agency. Why? So the UI of the application that you can see right in front of my screen is really amazing. So on just one interface you can see the your domain, its various data in terms of charts, graphs, tables, and all the filters out there. Yeah, you can see that, and you can see the rankings over time. You can see whether it is going up, whether it is going down, everything that your rank tracking software allows you to do. We already have reviewed like serpwatch.com for rank tracking, and we have also reviewed Scrappy that also allows you to do SERP ranking test, and you can check out those reviews from description or from the I button. I will leave a link so you can check them out, because those two are also very interesting softwares for rank tracking purpose. So if you want to just check the rank over time for your best keywords out of your project or out of your website, then these tools let you help assist you in checking the ranks over time for your special keywords, for your key keywords, for your desired keywords, right? So every website has its own keywords they want to rank for, and as such you can add those keywords right there in these softwares and check the rankings of those keywords right in one dashboard. And why to use more softwares for this purpose? And as such, this software comes in all in one platform for your SEO, and rank tracking is just part of it. So yeah, we'll see what are the features of it. So let's, without wasting any time, get into dashboard. So here I have opened up my dashboard. So it looks something like this. Here you can add your own domains, and you can see its visibility, positions, audit score, and everything on this dashboard. I have nothing set up yet properly, so that most of these graphs are like empty or are filled up with less data as of now, but you can just grab it from there by adding your domains at here, add new tracking, add your domain, and it will be added to your list by adding some keywords. So let me show you by adding a domain like fgym.com. Let me add this one, and I can add a couple of keywords right there. So it will suggest you some keywords that you can add actually without adding your own. So you can see which are ranking, and you can actually get ideas from this list. So here we have some couple of keywords that we can add, like I monetize login. You can also see the original positions of these keywords, and here it is on 11th position, on 13th position. In server affiliate, it's also there. So you can also see the locations on where your keywords are ranking, with what volume and what is the URL that's ranking. And here you can see all the keywords that are added right there. And once you are done with adding the keywords, you can just head over to this location area and add the location. Like I want to do the research for United States, or add these keywords for United States. Here you can choose search engine. I want to choose Google. Here you can do either YouTube, Yahoo, Yandex, Bing, Google Images, anything, but I will keep it to Google desktop. I can also do mobile, but it will just add more of these keywords and data, so I don't want to do that. So let's keep it to desktop and United States, and let's just add 4 keywords out of my limit of 95. So let's add it. So competitors added. I can also add a competitor, but I don't want to, so let's finish it down right there. So here you can see my keywords are added, and it's SERP, that search engine result page. You can click on this button to see actually your page. So it is going to take a little bit of time and open up the Google search engine for you, and here it is. This is the website, and its position is like 20th or maybe more than that, but it will take a little bit of time, and it will give you some time ago as well. So for this all the data to be updated, it takes like 1 to 2 minutes maybe, perhaps. Let's just reload this page and see if it is updated right there. Yeah, it's updated. So you can see its average position, its absolute position. Like if any other website would have tried ranking for this keyword like of us, it would have been on this position where we have around that, most probably 35, that's 33, otherwise all are just the same, right? But for this data to be updated, it will take a little bit of time, so let's wait for that. And when it's updated, you will see its visibility, average position. Let me show you by clicking on this another domain that I have. So you can see this visibility, you can see volume, you can see traffic, you can see keyword difficulty in terms of an index out of 100. Yeah, and then you have SERP features. SERP features are also here. You can just hold on it and see which it is. It's like featured snippet, like for upload video there's a featured snippet somewhere, and there's FAQs as well, I guess. Yeah, people also ask. Okay, the positions and all these things are like there. You can also have these comparators. You can add them, add comparators. We don't have any comparators for this domain, that's why it's not showing the data against that. But you can see your pages, you can see your metrics, grossing, Discord keywords, everything's right there. Let's get back to the keyword finders. Keyword finders like KW Finder, like any other tool that allows you to find the keywords. It's like a keyword search tool right in there in the software. And even SERP Watch, that for ranked ranking, is now allowing you to search the keywords, do the keyword research itself. So this is something very, very comparative in terms of the SEO ranking softwares or ranked ranking software that they are implementing keyword research in their software. It's interesting. So let's search any keyword like email marketing service. Email marketing service. Let's keep it to global, otherwise you can just choose any other location of your choice, but let's keep it to global and let's search for it. Let's wait, and here we get some data that we have, like keyword difficulty, trend over time, volume, CPC, PPC, and everything. So you can just simply do the filters, ascending or descending. You can make it either way, and then you can use this keyword inside your article to have a better ranking, right? Then we have this SERP checker tool. This is also kind of analysis tool that's also offered in most of the content marketing softwares as well, like Outranking, like SEO Surfer. Surfer SEO also allows you to do SERP analysis. Outranking also allows you to do it, and many other softwares are there that allows you to do SERP analysis, like most of the trending softwares like SEMrush and HIF. All these softwares allows you to do, but most of them are not allowing you to do it. That's why it's a huge plus in the software. So let's do it. Email marketing service, and Let's choose location to United States and device to be desktop, and let's search for it. It's gonna take a little bit of time to fetch the data out of the entire internet, and it will give you some picture out of it. Okay, so here we have some SERP features and analysis out of this keyword called email marketing service, and here you can see the results. These 4 results are paid, like advertise keywords. Like when you search this keyword, there are 4 ads running for the location of United States, and that's why the organic SERP starts from the position 5, right? And this is www.bagner.com. Okay, and this keyword is for email marketing, and this blog is for WordPress and marketing, and very popular blog, that's why, and its authority is quite amazing. It's not showing me this one, but it's very much, it can show you if you refresh probably, but this is something very unique. You can just make a decision from this SERP analysis whether you can go with this keyword, what's the difficulty of this keyword, and what are the SERP features impact number of results that they have got. Everything's right there. You can also do this SERP checker by manual searching the keyword on the Google, so it's the same, and but it saves your time if you are using this software only. You don't have to switch the tabs, go on another tab and do the search, right? And manual searching takes little of time, and you don't get data in terms of domain authority, page authority, backlinks and all that. So in that case, when you compare, this SERP analysis is much better when you do it manually. Okay, and then you have some SEO checklist for all your domains that you added in your projects, or sorry, in your software. Okay, and then you can do all these things, like you can just mark it down if you need to just set it up. So uh, take some time. It will help you to set this up, and when you do this thing, just click this, like it's a checklist that you have done it, and then you can just head over to all of these things, and then it will be helpful for your SEO. So it's like task. It is helping you that if you do it, you will get better rankings, your SEO will be better, you will get more juice, more SEO juice, right? And then there is a reporting you can do for any domains. You can create the reports, generate reports, and it's an audit, so you can just do the audit of your websites. Like if you click on any of the domain that you added, you can see all the data that is relevant to your audit, like your merge TA, Alexa ranking, backlinks, everything's like there in the audit report. You can see all the important factors, like health check factors and everything in this report. And SEO report is also provided by SEMrush and Scrappy also allows you to do it, and it's very important to do audit every month if you want to see how you are doing in terms of SEO of a website. And here's a guide like how to rank, and there are all the chapters out there. So if you want to learn how to use this software for better SEO, then you can just head over to this button right there, and you can just learn it, and it is gonna guide you everything. If you are a beginner, if you are just starting out and you want to use this software better, or you just want to make the best use of it in growth of your website. So this was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to buy the software, you can check out the link in the description. It's an affiliate link. If you buy it from it, it is not gonna cost you higher, but it can give you discount sometimes, and it can support me making more videos. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to our channel for watching more videos like this, and hit the bell icon, because it really helps you and me as well to get updated about the next video that we are uploading. And till then, bye bye, and have a wonderful day. Stay blessed, stay healthy. Bye bye.